Hello, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to play some basic two-handed chord voicings, which will give you a nice, rich, open sound. It's quite a straightforward method that works with all types of chords. So let's have a look at how to do it. We'll start with a major 7. We'll look at a C major 7. So what we want to do is start with the root and the 7th in our left hand. Then the right hand is free to add other stuff. So we need to add what we need first, which is the 3rd. Make sure you've always got the 3rd and the 7th in there. And then we can add other things for depth and colour. So we could add the 5th, or the 6th works well with a major 7 chord too. So 5th or 6th, and then we can add the 9th up here, which gives us this nice rich open sound. That's with the 5th. With the 6th, slightly more colourful, so it's a matter of preference really there. We can also do it starting with the root and the 3rd on the bottom. So first we add what we need, which is the 7th. So there we've got our 3rd and the 7th. Then we can add the 9th, we could add it here. And then again we can either add the 5th or the 6th there. So this is exactly the same notes as this, just in a different order. So let's have a look at a minor 7 chord now. We'll try F minor 7. So we're going to use the same method, works for this too. Start with our root and the 7th, then we need a 3rd in there, and then we can add our 5th here. The 6th doesn't work so well with minor 7s because you get this semitone clash there, so the 5th is usually a better choice with a minor 7. And then we can add our 9th up here. Gives us a nice rich F minor 9. And again we can do it with root and 3rd on the bottom. So we add our 7th, we add our 9th and the 5th there. And finally let's look at a dominant 7th chord. So we'll take a G7. So start with our root and 7th. We add our 3rd, then we can have the 5th or the 6th. The 6th, when played with a dominant 7th chord, will normally be called a 13th rather than a 6th, but it works really well. So we can have either of those, and then we add our 9th on top there. And the other method, start with a root and 3rd, then 7th, 9th, and 13th or 5th. And with dominant 7 chords you can experiment with flat 9s and sharp 9s and sharp and flat 5ths as well for more kind of exotic sounds. For example, there's a G13 with a flat 9. A really nice sound. So yeah, we're just using the same method for any type of chord, just starting with the root and the 7th or the root and the 3rd in the left hand, and building the rest on top with the right. And yeah, that's a quick introduction to some basic two-handed voicings for jazz piano. I hope that was helpful for someone. Feel free to leave any feedback or questions in the comments if anything didn't make sense. And thanks very much for watching.